Hey guys, so about a week ago I showed you guys how to make a mask using your sock. Today I'm going to show you how to sanitize it. Because right now the states are calling that every time you go out you have to wear your mask or else you will be served at restaurants, etc, etc. So you can't keep buying masks or keep cutting into your socks. So let me show you how to sanitize it. Two ways. First way is you just boil some water until it boils and it has a nice steam. You got to make sure that you take your napkin out of it, and then you're just gonna hook your sock on either side, and you're gonna do this for about 5 minutes, and that's gonna sanitize your mask. You could do this with any mask as long as it has the two loops, sock, or for instance regular type of mask. Doesn't matter. This is how it would look. Okay? So the second easy way to sanitize your mask is by using a dryer. Because remember, bacteria, all it needs is high heat to kill it. So make sure you take your napkin out, throw it in the dryer, put it on high heat, and I would do this for about at least 20-30 minutes to be safe. And voila, your mask is sanitized.